We're building a beat. Hi. Okay, let's get some bass in here. Do a new software track. I love the trap bass, wherever it is. But I don't like the attack on it, so what I usually do is open up that attack sensitivity. Less of that knocking sound. Less pop. I think that was it. Quantize to the 16th. Drag that over. Okay, we get a new track. Let's quantize that. That was sloppy. Let's grab the first part. Input 1, okay. Man, that is hard. What am I trying to do here?
I don't wanna live forever. I don't wanna live forever. I can see the change of weather. But why would anybody wanna live long? Just to see this world bringing me down. I don't wanna live forever just to see